we want to explain why the Phonak hearing aid operating system AutoSense OS is different from any other automatic technology on the market. So first, let's discuss what we know about automatic technology available in other hearing aids on the market today. Most hearing aids have some sort of automatic behavior or technology. However, this is based on automatic switching systems. These systems typically must have criteria that are met before the device will eventually switch into one of the programs. In contrast, AutoSense OS does not make a discrete switch like these automatic systems, but bases its behavior on the fact that listening environments are not static, but constantly changing. Therefore, you need a system that can accurately analyze the environment and precisely create the unique blend of programs and features that address that specific situation in real time. AutoSense OS does this in a way like no other, which is why we call it the brains of the hearing aid. How does it do this? AutoSense OS is comprised of 7 programs designed to address specific listening needs and structured to blend over 200 different settings when and where it makes sense. At its core, there are 4 programs that can be seamlessly blended and 3 programs that are exclusive. So, what does this mean? In typical environments, individuals are in situations where there is speech or noise with speech, or even quiet situations that may or may not have echo present. To address this, we have 4 programs: Calm, Speech in Noise, Comfort in Noise, and Comfort in Echo. These 4 programs cover the majority of average listening environments that people are in. However, even though you have these 4, which are able to be configured in an infinite number of combinations, there will still be specific situations where this is not enough. This is where the 3 exclusive programs are needed. These 3 programs are Speech in Loud Noise, Speech in Car, and Music. Sometimes when you are in a really loud situation where you find it extremely difficult to hear speech intelligibility needs to be maximized. This is where the exclusive Speech in Loud Noise program comes into play. By automatically linking all 4 microphones on the hearing aids together, we can create a narrow beam to allow you to focus on the person directly in front of you. There are other situations, such as having a conversation in the car, which can be a real challenge for most automatic switching systems. A car has a unique acoustic environment. You have the glass in the car, the noise of the engine, and the noise fluctuates as the speed changes. Depending on whether you are in a car on your own or traveling with passengers, the hearing aids need to be able to meet these needs. AutoSense OS's Speech in Car program recognizes this acoustic environment and synchronizes both hearing aids to change into a stable program for the duration of the car journey that can enhance comfort and reduce listening effort simultaneously. Lastly, but not least, music is a situation that needs to be treated differently to speech or comfort situations. In order to experience this, we need to change how the hearing aid identifies and treats music to make sure the quality of the music remains as close to the original as possible, so it makes no sense to blend other programs. The AutoSense OS music program synchronizes the hearing aids and is able to easily capture the dynamics of music so that the experience is rich and full. So as you can clearly see, AutoSense OS is the brains of the hearing aid and can use its 7 programs in over 200 different ways to precisely apply the right parameters to the right listening situation.